Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type multiple lines in a fillable text field using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor and this is a fillable text field, and now I will show you. Here you can type multiple text and see this, and press you cannot create multiple line, and as many as text you type and it will be decrease and one line showing here. Only one line you can type here, and I will type here multiple line. Now click on this form option, and here you will find this select field option and click here. Now click on this text field and select it, and this right side top button and select properties option, and this properties dialog box this right side showing here, and scroll down. Here you will find this multi-line option here showing no, and click here and active, and this down arrow and selected yes. Now here you can type multiple line and click on this hand option and again select and type text here and press enter and new text again, and again press enter and see this type text. Yeah, this is in this way you can type as many as line you want to type one fillable text field. Yeah, this is in this way you can type and active for typing multiple line. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.